We are researching a disease called age-related macular degeneration. It's a currently incurable disease and it causes basically progressive vision loss, so it gets worse and worse over time. Our goal is to make the testing easier, faster, and cheaper by creating an artificial model of the subretina where this disease occurs.
So right now we're still in the proving process of our membrane. We're running a bunch of tests on it to make sure that it does accurately represent the back of your eye. That involves permeability, making sure that the same size molecules can go through it as would happen in your eye. We're doing mechanical testing, so we want to make sure that it's bending and stretching the same way it would in your eye, so that when we grow cells and do disease modeling on this, we can say, hey, yeah, we already verified that these membranes that we're creating are valid to be using in the eye.
Prior to working in this lab, I had my plan. I was going to graduate. I was going to go find a good industry that'll pay me a bunch of money to work at. But after doing research, I just realized that this is what I want to do. I want to do research.
Honestly, it's been kind of a game changer for me. It's completely changed my career path, where instead of going into medicine, I'm staying here and going to get a graduate degree, and I'm planning on staying in research throughout my career.
I feel like especially in this department, the opportunity to get into research at a pretty early level is a lot better than a lot of other schools. So it's cool to think about I wasn't really planning on being involved in research, and now I can't see it have gone any other way. I've just fallen in love with research.